Good morning, everybody. This is Kevin Cahill from the Irish American Club of Berkshire County, and I join you as we do every Sunday morning from the beautifully appointed studios of WTBR 89.7 Pittsfield Community Radio. I've been away for 2 weeks. Thank you to Farmer for heading up the show 2 weeks ago. We have a nice show planned for you here today. We're going to start off with Ye Vagabonds. I hope to play that more recent band that's been performing in Dublin called Moving Hearts, the O'Neill Sisters, Christy Moore's on tap, as well as Sean Doyle, Tony McMahon, and if we get that far, perhaps the Dropkick Murphys. So let's start off with Ye Vagabonds from their album The Hare's Lament. a live version there from Moving Hearts in Dublin. The name of the tune, The Lake of Shadows. And before that, you heard from one of those compilation albums that doesn't name any of the participants, but nonetheless, the name of the tune, Two Jigs and a Reel, Three Young Ladies Drinking Whiskey Before Breakfast. I've played a version of that in the past. And before that, first up on this set from Ye Vagabonds, their album, The Hare's Lament, Dabynamo Badur, which is something akin to I enjoy sailing my boat. I want to thank all the marchers who participated in this year's 4th of July parade. A great, great parade following 2 years of no parades. So we want to thank Brendan Ronayne and Ann Doyle, and also the Irish Sister City Committee with their lovely float, and most of all to our Irish visitors from our sister city in Ballina, County Mayo, the Ballina Municipal District. The head of the Ballina Municipal District, Declan Turnbull, was here, as well as the mayor of Ballina, Mark Duffy. So I hope they enjoyed themselves. They had a lovely reception at City Hall, and hopefully we will be able to re-engage again in this relationship next year, if not before. Next, we're going to be hearing from The Gloaming.
Van voorval er werd trollum even tidestucht dame vier goeie het raar vier God goeie kom nog Dame hier dier honen loveless dame ni fuitin ua gehoig noch Chucky Adchum Bachwinet Ben Onerne Ilvinik Ben Ohlisvin Travbana Inja Olis Liedrama
Twas over in Rhode Island near the town of Cushendon. One morn I met a damsel there, the fairest of them all. 'Twas with my young affections and my money did she go. She told me she belonged to where the bonny roses grow. Her cheeks were like the roses and her hair a raven hue. Before that she'd done with me, she had me raven too. She left me sorely stranded, not a coin she left, you know. The damsel that belonged to where the bonny roses grow. Can anybody tell me where the bonny roses grow? It may be down in Limerick town or over in Mayo, to somewhere in the Emerald Isle, but this I want to know. Can anybody tell me where the bonny roses grow? The grama Korean man, she murmured soft to me. If you belong to Ireland, 'tis yourself belongs to me. Her Donegal, come all ye broke, it captured me, you know. Good luck to her and good luck to the place where the bonny roses grow. Can anybody tell me where the bonny roses grow? It may be down in Limerick town or over in Mayo, to somewhere in the Emerald Isle, but this I want to know. Can anybody tell me where the bonny roses grow? Can anybody tell me where the bonny roses grow? It may be down in Limerick town or over in Mayo, to somewhere in the Emerald Isle, but this I want to know. Can anybody tell me where the bonny roses grow? Dee-dum, dee-dum, dee-da-da-dum, dee-dum, dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum, da-dee-dum, dee-dum, dee-dum, dee-da-da-dum, dee-dum,
must away before the end of day. For your rebel heart you must depart. I'll put all the stars out there for to dress your lovely hair, and the moon will be the host of the air. And I'll sing a rebel song for you. All the rebel songs for you. I'll sing loud, I'll sing them proud, sing them long and sing them strong, all night long, till all the women are free, just like you and me, my love. Like a pin in your head, the dark sings softly to the
I really like that singer, and I like that song. The singer is Karen Casey. The name of this album is Hieroglyphs That Tell the Tale. And the name of the song, Down in the Glen, which is a little different than what I expected when I listened to it earlier this week. And before that, you heard a rather spirited version of the O'Neill Sisters from their album Black is the Color, where the Blarney Roses Grow is the name of that. And before that, we heard from the Gloaming, the famous band invented by RTE, with the rather mournful tune, The Lady Who Has Found the Tomb Unattended. It was sung in Gaelic. Not too much in the news from Ireland this week. I think of some note to those of you who are planning to go there this summer, that the Famine Museum in Strokestown is undergoing a multi-euro expansion, which will include many more museum objects, tales, recordings, and photographs, or engravings, I should say, from the period not only of the famine, but immediately for 25 years after the famine, documenting some of its consequences. I've been to Strokestown. It's a very nice place. The grounds are beautiful. The seriousness of the subject matter is very intentional. And you leave there understanding, I think, in more detail and to a greater depth, the experience of the Irish people during the famine. I'm sure if they still have it, but I recall when I went the first time, I was interested to hear my own voice on the tape recorder of, that was in the hall, myself and Mary Daly talking about the experience of the people of Limerick with the famine that was being broadcast at the time that I walked in. And I remarked at the time that it never even paid me for that. But nonetheless, we're going to hear from Christy Moore now with the Farmer Markerel Hay.
I am a bold and daunted fox that never yet was trapped or caught. Me rent, rents and taxes I was willing for to pay. I met me name and fine good land between Tipperary and Maclan, where my forefathers lived and died 3,000 years ago. I lived as happy as King Saul and loved my neighbours one and all. I had no animosity for either friend or foe, until the cruel landlord drove me from my native home. And show me face no more. The day that he evicted me, it's then I knew I had to flee. So late that night I faced him and left him lying low. He fell victim to a shot, his agency he soon forgot. And from that day for Farmer Michael Hayes. And soon there was a great lookout to land and see myself to row. From Dublin Quay to Belfast along the raging sea. Be telegraphed they didn't insert a great reward for my arrest. My figure, size and form, my name without mistake. They broke their brogues to gain the great reward, but they could never capture Farmer Michael Hayes. Around the coast they made a steer from Poolbeg Lighthouse to Cape Clear, to Lerny Town and Sweet Tralee, and they then crossed into Clare. And when they landed on the shore, they searched Kilrush from tip to toe. They searched the baths at Lisdoonvarn and Edmonton Bay, and the posse broke into a trot, a-thinking that they had me caught. But I was back in Fisher Street, drinking mugs of tail. In Galway town, as I lay down, I heard a dreadful cry of hounds. So I jumped into the cladder, and to Spindle I did go. Connemara, Binramore, the thought was there I might resort. But the dogs were getting weary, and the horses getting slow. As the moon began to shine, I thought I'd make a fire and climb, and leave them all to search for Farmer Michael Hayes. So to Dublin town I made me way, and then to Coven, America. And we're in the land of liberty, a feck for all my foes.
House where the birds do increase, at the foot of Mount Leinster or some silent place, by the streams of Bunclody where all pleasures do meet. And all I would ask is one kiss from you, sweet. Oh, the streams of Bunclody, they flow down so free. By the banks of the Slaney I am longing drinking good liquor in the height of my cheer. Here's a health to Bunclody and the lass I love dear. But it's how my love slights me, as you might understand. For she has a freehold and I have no land. She has riches in plenty and a fortune in gold, and everything fitting a house to uphold. And if I were a clerk and could write a good hand, I would pen my love a letter she might understand. For I am a young fellow who is slighted in love. Once I lived in Bunclody, but now must remove. And the cuckoo, she's a pretty bird, she sings as she flies. She brings us good tidings and tells us no lie. She sucks the wild bird's egg to make her voice clear. And the more she cries cuckoo, the summer draws near. So it's fare thee well, father and mother, adieu. To my sister and brother, farewell unto you. I am bound for America, for my fortune to thrive. When I think on Bunclody, I'm ready to cry.
There's naught but care on every hand, in every hour that passes o'er, that signifies the life of man. 'Twere not for the lassies old. Green grow the rushes o'er, green grow the rushes o'er. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies old. The worldly race may riches chase, and riches still may fly them all. When at last they catch them fast, their hearts can ne'er enjoy them all. Grow the rushes up, green grow the rushes up. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies old. Around my dearie, oh, whirly cares and whirly men, may a gay topsy-turvy, oh. Green grow the rushes, oh, green grow the rushes, oh. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent among the lassies old. You so grave, you sneer at this, you're not but senseless asses, oh. The wisest man the world e'er saw, he dearly loved the lassies old. Green grow the rushes, oh, sweetest hours that e'er I spent among the lassies, green crow the rushes, green crow the rushes, the sweetest hours that e'er I spent among the lassies,
First up on that set, we heard from Christy Moore with the song Farmer Michael Hayes from Christy Moore's album Folktale. We all know Christy Moore. We don't know Farmer Michael Hayes, but perhaps we know him better now. And second up there from Sean Doyle, The Light and the Half-Light, the name of that album, produced by his son John, The Maid of Bunclutty and the Lad She Loves Dear, a sad song about a young woman in love and the object of her affection is leaving for America. And the last song that you just heard from Cherish the Ladies, Green Grow the Rushes O. This song was written by the brilliant Scottish poet Robert Burns. He wrote it down in his, quote, commonplace book in August 1784. I would encourage anyone, if you have a chance to see Cherish the Ladies, to do so. They're one of the few groups working in world music circuit today that have successfully created a contemporary sound whilst remaining true to traditional Irish form. These talented musicians love and respect their musical heritage. It is also combined with a great energy and humor that makes for a unique and uplifting listening experience. I personally want to thank them for a song that they sang at a concert that I attended in New York many years ago, which was Anisha Miligra, and I had asked them to play that song in notes that they were generally collecting from the audience for suggestions of what to play, and they played that song, which is a love song about a man telling his great love, Nisha, that he has to indeed leave the country. But enough about that, and now let's hear from Tony McMahon and Noel Hill.
you'll know that we both feel the same. In the afternoon, misgivings will pale into nothing. In the afternoon, we'll know what it is to believe. When it's afternoon and I covet you, in the afternoon I'll give you no reason to leave. Done with time and patience, I moved with the crowd. Lonely in my silence and being without. Then all in one instant, straight out of the blue, out of all its goodness, the summer sent you. Now it's evening time, and I reach for you lying beside me. Now it's evening time, your kiss will be tender and sure. Now it's evening time, just like every time. In the evening time, I love you as much as before. Done with time and patience, I moved with the crowd. Lonely in my silence and being without. Then all in one instant, straight out of the blue, out of all its goodness, the summer sent you. All in one sweet instant, straight out of the blue, out of all its goodness, the summer sent you. The summer sent you. Summer sent you.
In the merry month of June, from the home I started, left the girls and Tom and Danny broke. I had it saluted me father, yeah. Guess we got them all, I drank a pint of them. We greet the dead, there's nothing enough to reap the corn. Leave where I was born, gotta stop my thoughts. The madness goes to cover a brand new pair of boots. Running over the bus, burning all the dust. On the rocky road to Dublin. In Mullingar last night I rested a little so weary, started by daylight next morning cried and early took a drop of the fjord to keep me hot from sinking, that's the petty's cure. Right down the drink and see the lassie smile, laughing all the while, and me down the star and sit shine above the heads. There was a hard and wind as I was gone, and I was almost there over the rocky road to Dublin. Up the hill and turn down the rocky road and all the way to Dublin and whack the lorry door. In Dublin makes your eye the morning sun to be the pieces soon to ride a view and then my say decided to take me so long. Because it must have been so that in that no having something cross my mind when I look behind the bottle like a bar. One mistake a woman crying for. On the rocky road to Dublin. Up there and turn down the rocky road and all the way to Dublin and whack the lorry door. From there I got away, my spirits never fell. I landed on the quay just as the ship was sailing. Captain at me roared, said that no one had it. Then I jumped aboard a cabin far from Paddy down among the bridge. Made some funny rigs, danced some hardy jigs. The water around me bubbling up the hardy
I played 4 songs that set. Yes, I did. And last up here, you heard from the musicians were Bobby Casey and Lucy Farr with a couple of reels, the Graf Spee and the Ballinasloe Fair. And before that, you heard from the Dropkick Murphys, of course. I'm sure you recognize them with their version of the Rocky Road to Dublin. I have to comment that all the red lights on the desk here lit up, which means my ears are hurting. And before that, you heard from Mary Black from her 25th anniversary album with The Summer Sent You. And this is Kevin Cahill signing off for another week. Please listen to our show again next week. And please listen to all the locally produced programming here at 89.7 WTBR Pittsfield Community Radio. Guramagush Agushi Shahugan.